Is it worth investing in digital? According to a research, 84% of failures come from careless work habits. That basically refers to human error, maintenance issues, and non-compliance to standard operating procedures, as the major reason for most of the disasters in industries. Latest incident of Vizag gas leakage in May 2020 is clear example of human error and negligence in maintenance. It was a result of missing temperature monitoring activity that led to this accident. Preventive maintenance, asset tracking, condition monitoring, inspection and calibration are critical for 24/7 operations of any industry, like oil and gas, steel, textiles, chemical, pharma, telecom, auto, or power. The digital maintenance management system creates a sustainable framework to maximize asset utilization uptime of equipment. ClairViz's Digi Easy Operation and Maintenance Management System, or DOMS, combines cutting-edge technologies like IoT, data analytics, machine learning, cloud, and big data, with years of industry expertise to deliver a complete product. This helps make the life of supervisors easy and provide insights to the management. Digital work instruction, preventive maintenance checklist, reminders, incidents management, and online SOPs help the maintenance team to become not just efficient, but more empowered. Condition-based maintenance, over and above preventive maintenance, is becoming new industry norm, where IoT sensors do the routine check jobs, and send alerts and escalations to various stakeholders, based on custom-defined parameters. DOMS is very simple to deploy solution. It has three key components: Smart IoT Box, a mobile app, and Cloud Analytics. This solution comes with a lot of benefits, like quick problem resolution, complete traceability of tasks, adherence to SOPs, improved equipment uptime, proper planning and scheduling, real-time notifications and alerts, detailed analytical reports, and total standardization. Some of the key features of ClairViz's DOM systems are digital maintenance, asset management, digital inspection and calibration, digital SOPs, digital logbooks, digital collaboration, IoT sensors, offline mode, SCADA, DCS and ERP data integration. ClairViz Technology Systems. Redefining the maintenance systems. Contact us at sales@clairviz.com or visit us at www.clairviz.com, or you may call us at +91 996 795 0044 or +91 958 222 7920.